why I felt kind of shy showing my face right now for some reason. Clay is super hard. Slick Rick, what's up? What's up, Brody? This is therapy. This car's cheaper than therapy. You don't have to pay for it. Bailing mud out. Hello from Thailand. Hello from Texas to you. I had to pop another Red Bull since this morning. I had to pop one because I had to crack one open because, you know, your boy, what is that, food coma? So much brick in here. Just to go back up. Okay, right on. You are. You're what? Working me hard. Not really, bro. It's like potato. It's like baking potatoes, you know? Easy money. Yes, sir, Chris. It's Clay, man. It's been here for, I'll say, at least about good 3-4 years already. And, you know, Texas, we got to, you know, this clay is, well, in some areas in Texas, this clay has a lot of moisture in it. And when you're trying to cut it, it has like big chunks. And I feel bad for my dozer operator because he's having to put in 6-inch lifts. And so I try not to send too many big clots, you know. All this that I'm cutting out is all clay. It's all backfill from a couple years ago, so I got to take it out. We're using it for a clay liner. Here's called this hellish. Yeah, this, well, when it's naturally untouched clay, I mean, it's amazing. Because I can fill up this bucket like there ain't no tomorrow. This is that gray clay, I guess you could say. There's gray, green, white, and red clay out here in Texas. What's up, baby doll? Come on. Yeah, it's a little dry compared to what I was loading at last time. It's not as bad as it was before, man, but sometimes I get those areas that has a lot of moisture in it. Like this right here is not really dry. There's a lot of What did you do, Sean? What did you do, homie? What's that? How do you tell the bucket is full? Sheesh, that's a good question. Nah, I'm kidding. I mean, you can feel it right off the back. Now that's somewhat a full bucket. Yeah, bro, you need to be careful what you say on, you know, because it won't take much for this app to pick up anything you say. That's why I gotta choose my words wisely, like you know. Yeah, whenever you fill it up into the machine, it's like, you hear it? That's when you know it's too much. Easy there. The turbo will start screaming its lungs out. What brand? This is Caterpillar. Everything out here is Caterpillar. They actually got a John Deere the last time and it wasn't good enough for the slopes. It had a wide track and it wasn't working right. How? What? It's making that sound, digging that mud out. You hear that turbo just whining. It's the best sound ever. That's how you know you're doing things right, when you got the turbo screaming their lungs out. have. Yeah, we don't have any in Texas. We don't have any articulated buckets. This is a 336 EL. I don't know what. That's the model. What's the model of this thing? I don't know. This one has 14,000 hours though. I'll show you guys in a little bit. Give me 1 second. Let me hurry up and load this truck. The truck is Caterpillar. Look how many hours this thing got. Hours. 14,000 hours. And it's a little dusty right now. I cleaned it out the other day, but I mean, it's pretty clean compared to what I've seen out there. You know. We want to run 40s. Where is this? This is up in Canada, bro. Just playing Texas. Texas. To joke around, alright guys, so don't take me serious. How do you guys cut your slopes? Do you start from the top? You start from the bottom? I'm just cutting this one, you know, like I'm crazy. Come on, buddy. Too late, I took it serious. What's up, bro? That's my brother from another mother, man. That's my high school buddy right there, man. The chosen one. Oh, chosen one.
Not a win. You got a pull?
Do you want me to show you how to do that? Come out. I learned from YouTube, man. What are you doing, bro?
Okay.
Oh, chosen one. What's up, Palm? I'm YouTube certified, and 6 months in, they let me on the excavator. They got too much trust out here. Come on. YouTube certified. Happy hump day. That'd be nice to be humping something. But yes, happy hump day. You're mining for gold? Yeah, man. Trying to see if I can find Uranus. Yeah, man. I've heard a lot of operators learn from YouTube, you know. That's what I learned. That's why I'm like, man, let me go on YouTube. I'm YouTube certified. I got a certificate from YouTube of how many subscribers I have on my channel. I should go check my page out. Over 1 million subscribers. Come on. We're making it somewhere. Do I work weekends? Nah. That's too much for me. Oh, what's that? Who's that? Appreciate that. Confetti. Let's go. I like that. Thank you. Thank you for your kindness. In the truck bed, dude, not on the ground. Look. There. Chris. Hi, I'm from Chicago. Let's go. This is just a little temporary slope. There's not gonna be a slope. I'm just making it in case somebody wants to fall off this cliff. You know, they'll have fun. When was the last time the machine saw grease? Yesterday. But you know why you don't see it on the bucket no more? Because it's actually doing work. My man set the fire. Let's go. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. You know, the biggest people, or the ego that people have nowadays, you know, it's just like, come in here and let's try to make this guy mad, you know? Wait, oh, this is where you're supposed to put it? Oh, I'm sorry, I missed the whole truck. Come on, man. What's grease exactly? I never heard of a grease. What does that mean? $38 years of it. Yeah, hey, tell me about it. I make it look easy. I try. It is easy though. It's not as hard, guys. Anybody can do this shit. So we gotta keep it going, you know. Let me get closer to this guy because he parked a little bit too far and I'm gonna have to.
Pablo is gonna be final grade and the rest of the trucks are gonna be select field. We're just doing a CTO job. One final grade then?
I'm actually gonna.
Pablo, the one with brown and black is gonna be final grade, and then all the other guys are gonna be select field.
Look at that clay just get stuck inside my bucket, man. Y'all about to see one of the best parts of being an operator. Watch. Let me know this truck real quick, you know. No, grease is for rookies. Alright, I'm just playing. I don't want to trigger anybody, alright? But I always grease my machine whenever I have the time. It's time to clean out this bucket, fellas. Hopefully it has enough clay. Y'all ready? Come on, get out of there. Done. Do it, 720 spin. What is that? Now you can see inside my bucket. Because I'm a greasy operator. Oh man. Rotate machine. What do you mean, brother? There's another machine over there, look. Dale. Dale para allá, dale para adelante y reversarte un poquito más. No, ya no ocupa reversarte a la otra. That's some good dry clay, I wish. Like some of it is dry, some of it has like patches of like moisture in it. And it's really hard to break it, you know what I mean? Coming into the cut. I actually need to unplug my phone before it overheats. Yes, sir, I am in Mexico. I'm in Tijuana. I came from Texas to Mexico to teach some of these operators out here how to run real equipment, you know. I'm making a ton of wood chopper. Shh, you're supposed to say nothing. The other machine right? TE my mess. He's actually retired, guys. He's an old school operator, I think. From what I heard, I don't know. Can't really see the slope that well, but it's not gonna be a perfect slope. It's just a temporary slope, just so when it rains it doesn't break cave off, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be a ooh, that slope, it looks like crap, you know, but it doesn't really matter right now. We always gotta clean up after him, but it's all good. You too, Scotty. How many trucks running today? Only 2, bro. That's all I will ever get. 2 trucks. Today is a good truck driver. He knows what's up. He knows the drill. It looks like we might get rained on soon, fellas. Daddy! What's up, my brother? How's work today? No more snow up there? You should have been here. We had some trolls. They said I missed a whole truck. And you want to see what I did? They said you missed a whole truck. Look. I said, oh yeah? I said, oh look, I missed it all again. They said I need to put the dirt inside the truck. I said, nah. You missed a grain of sand. That was funny though, bro. Where is this? In Mexico. I'm actually from... This is in Mexico, fellas. I got transferred out here. Since they said I got too much experience, I need to come teach these boys out here, you know? So you got way too much in your mind, you need to go over there. I was like, alright, man. This is all clay, bro. And by the way, I'm in Texas. I like to mess around, you know. Some people take it as a joke. Some people just take it too serious. And you know, you gotta be careful what you play with. Sean. Let's go, y'all. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday. Been to Iraq? You been to Iraq?
Hey, Cos, do you want me to come down with the water truck? What was that? Should I come down with the water truck?
I think he lives over there. You serve?
Yeah, John, you bring the water truck, just be careful on the road. Some of those potholes are pretty deep on the rim.
Well, thank you for your service, Victor.
Yes, sir. Be careful you don't bottom out on the side, just watch them.
¿Qué onda, mi Jesse? ¿Qué andamos? Aquí andamos. Aquí andamos en friega, carnal. Dándole ganas a la vida porque... Ya sabes, estamos ahorita aquí, mañana no sabemos. Estamos cargando pura clay. Pura de la buena, dijo mi papá. Sean. Ricky es mi favorito, papi. Oh man, this is why I love my people, man. They come in here and kick it with me. Thank you, Sean. Love you long time, brother. J-Wow, thank you for the, what was that? I didn't even get to see it. A wishing bottle. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, J-Wow. Hope it's all well. Yes, sir. How you doing? How's that new job treating you? Poppy Tyler? What? Es todo puro amor. Yo tengo muchos papis. Oh my God, bro. How do you see those comments? Tap to share. Let's go. I'm good. New job is... Hell yeah. Right on, my God. That's what I'm talking about. Wherever the money's at. ¿Qué onda, mi Jesse? ¿Cómo ves a mi camarada? Parece que ahí viene el agua. Pura familia aquí en esta comunidad, carnal. Gusto en conocerte. Aquí andamos para los que se ofrezcan. Look, it looks like it might rain. Some pretty heavy clouds coming from that way. ¿Y este vato qué onda? ¿Está dormido? How hot is my phone? Whoa, 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 whoa. Saludos de Michigan. Saludos, carnal. Hey, guys. We're on the road to 16K. Can we make it happen today? ¿Ah? A toda mi raza también. Vamos a 16,000 seguidores. ¿Me pueden hacer el favor de echarme un follow?